Welcome once again. My name is Daniel Boateng. We are going to quickly look at Highlife guitar chords exercise 3 for beginners. Previously, we did C, G 7th, and then we added A minor. This time, we are going to look at we are going to add up F, then E minor, and then you add G minor too. So today we are going to look at, already we know the C, so the new thing over here is let's say F, D minor, then E minor. Good. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I am encouraging you, I'm entreating you to click on the subscribe button. Hit on the notification so that you will not miss any lesson from this channel. Give a comment at the comment section. Beginner Highlife guitar player, these videos are for you. All right. Take your time, sit down, learn them systematically, follow my tutorials systematically, and you enjoy it. I'm ready to assist you. Let's begin today's lesson. Okay, so we are already familiar with the C. Good. Now the F, I have a video that taught F major chord over here. Maybe you have not seen it, so let's do it quickly. Put your third finger on the third fret of the D string, your second finger on the second fret of the G string, and then your first finger is holding the first fret of the B and then the E together. So it's like this, okay. Don't worry if you are finding it difficult to play, because it's not easy, but don't let this one discourage you, especially this F. If it will take you some weeks to play this F, don't worry, do it. Initially you find some difficulties playing this kind of chord, okay. It is it's normal, yeah. So this F, and then I mentioned E minor. Good. E minor, place your second finger on the second fret of the A string here, then your third finger under it, and the unsana two ni three is the second fret, but one is on the A string second fret, and then one is on the D string second fret. Then you play from the E root here. Play from the root, okay. You play from the root. This is E minor. If you are playing C major scale, this will be our Mi. This will be our Mi. Okay, good. Then I made mention of D minor. So let's look at D minor. Place your okay, so let's quickly look at D minor. This time I'm going to give you two types. Okay, one is like this at the F, then you put your fourth finger on the third fret of the B string here, like this. So you get your root to be the F. You get your root to be the F. Okay. Or put your first finger on the F here, the first fret on the E string, then your second finger on the second fret of the G string here, and then your third finger on the third fret of the B here. Then you play from the root. Play from the root. Good. So that is D minor. D minor. So the exercise we are going to do, we are going to play Re, Fa, Mi. That is the exercise we are going to do at 4 counts each. So let's start. 1, we are starting at the D minor. 1, 2, 3, go. Re, 3, 4, Fa, 3, 4, Mi, 3, 4, Re, 3, 4, Fa, 3, 4, Mi. Good. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. D minor, 3, 4. F major, 3, 4. E minor, 3, 4. Come back to D minor, 3, 4. F major, 3, 4. E minor. Good. You play it 2 times and then that's all. Let's do it once again. 1, 2, 3, go. Re, Fa, Mi, 3, 4. Re, 3, 4. Fa, 3, 4. That's simple. That's simple for me, but I will encourage you to do this exercise. Take your time, practice it, and it will help you. You know why I have tried to make this lesson systematic for you? You take the 1, add the 2, play the 3, and then we add it on, then we move on. Highlife is very sweet. So if by now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit on the subscribe button and then check the notification. Check the notification so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. Beginner Highlife guitar learners, these lessons are for you. Watch them, leave a comment, subscribe, share, and then give a thumbs up. We end here with this exercise. We will meet another time for another beautiful exercise. Thank you.